are drawing Candy Poppet. So, let's get started. We will start by drawing a candy. For that, first, draw a small circle in the center. Then, draw 3 bigger circles around it, one inside the other. Then, we will draw the stick of the candy at the bottom. It's time to draw a poppet! Yay! I love poppet. They are so fun! Highlight our drawing. Now we will fill rainbow colors. Red, orange, green, and it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.